Friends, welcome to the chemistry class. In this, let's start the second part of the hydrocarbon, in which we will study the method of preparation of alkanes. Okay, so what are the method of preparations of alkanes? How can you prepare the alkanes? So there are many methods. We will discuss by one. The first is from unsaturated hydrocarbons. So from unsaturated hydrocarbon, how can you obtain the alkanes? So unsaturated hydrocarbon means the compound which contains carbon-carbon double bond. Okay. So if you take any unsaturated compound like that CH2 double bond CH2 ethene and react with hydrogen gas, then in presence of nickel or platinum, then it gives ethane, because double bond will break and both the hydrogens will attach each carbon atom. Like that ethyne, you can add 2 mole of hydrogen atom in the presence of nickel and platinum, then it also gives ethane. So by the addition of hydrogen atom on alkenes or alkynes, you can obtain the alkane. Okay. Second, from alkyl halides. So alkenes can be prepared from alkyl halides by any of the following method. One is by Wood's reaction. So when alkyl halides, usually bromide or iodide, is treated with metallic sodium in dry ethanol solution, a commercial alkane containing twice the number of carbon atom present in the alkyl group is obtained. For example, RX and RX, 2 moles of the alkyl halide react with 2 mole of the sodium gives 1 mole of the alkane, 1 compound of the alkane, and sodium halide will be released. If you will take the alkyl group or as a methyl group, so the compound will be methyl bromide plus sodium plus methyl bromide. So here sodium bromide will be removed and 2 methyl group will attach to each other and form a ethane compound. Okay, like that other example you can see here, ethyl iodide plus 2 sodium plus ethyl iodide will react and give butane and sodium iodide. So by alkyl halide, by the reaction of alkyl halide with metals, you can obtain the alkanes. This reaction is known as the Wood's reaction. Okay, because it was discovered by the Alfred Woods in 1855. When the reacting alkyl halides are different, a mixture of different alkanes is obtained. For example, if a mixture of sodium iodide and methyl iodide, mixture of ethyl iodide plus sodium and methyl iodide, then there will be propane is formed. Okay, and sodium iodide will be released. So other example, CH3 CH2I plus 2Ni, same type of dry ether, then it gives butane. Okay, so there are many compounds by which they can react and form alkane. Thus an alkane containing even number of carbon atoms can easily be prepared by treating the suitable alkyl halide with sodium in the presence of dry ether. However, the synthesis of an alkane containing odd number of carbon atom, for example propane and pentane, by this reaction would require the involvement of 2 different kind of halides. Okay, so this will result in the formation of mixture of 3 alkanes. Since it is difficult to separate the required alkanes from the mixture, the method is not suitable for the preparation of alkanes. Okay, now by the reduction of alkyl halides. So if you reduce the alkyl halide, then it will gives alkane. Alkyl halide, for example C2H5Br, it is known as ethyl bromide, react with hydrogen iodide, then it gives C2H6 plus HBr plus I2, means it forms alkane. Next, 2P plus 3I2 gives PI3. So alkyl halide can also be reduced by hydrogen in the presence of catalyst like platinum or palladium. C2H5Br plus H2, and in the presence of platinum or palladium catalyst, it gives C2H6 plus HBr. So by using Grignard reagent, you can also form the alkanes. For example, RX plus Mg, alkyl halide reacts with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives Grignard reagent, whose formula is RMgX. Okay, like that other ethyl bromide plus magnesium react in the presence of dry ether, then it gives ethyl magnesium bromide. It is known as the Grignard reagent. Okay. So next, how the Grignard reagent gives the alkane. So RMgX plus HOH. When Grignard reagent react with water, then RH is formed and remaining part will remove from here. So you can find out here alkane. For example, it is an Grignard reagent that is known as the ethyl magnesium bromide react with water, gives ethane CH3CH3 plus hydroxy magnesium bromide from carboxylic acid. So by carboxylic acid you can obtain the alkane by the decarboxylation reaction. Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide from a carboxylic group. A carboxylic group on decarboxylation yields an alkane. Okay, for example, RCOONA, sodium salt of carboxylic acid, react with sodium hydroxide, then sodium carbonate will form. RH, it gives RH, alkyl halide, and sodium carbonate will form. So by this method you can form RH, means alkane. If you take R as a CH3 and it as a H, then it is known as the methane. Okay. Now calcium oxide present in the soda lime does not participate in the reaction. It simply help in the fusion of the reaction mixture. Okay. So for example, on heating ethanoic acid, acetic acid with soda lime, methane is obtained as a shown below. So ethanoic acid react with sodium hydroxide, so sodium carbonate will form plus water. This sodium carbonate react with sodium hydroxide at presence of calcium oxide, then it gives methane and sodium carbonate. So you can obtain the alkane by these methods. Okay. So now other examples are also, you can take propanoic acid and react with sodium hydroxide. So sodium carbonate is formed, and this sodium carbonate react with sodium hydroxide in presence of calcium oxide at 630 Kelvin. It gives ethane plus sodium carbonate. The other example of coal-based electrolytic method. So in this method is involve the electrolysis of an aqueous solution of sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid. For example, 2CH3COONA. Then it will break in acetate ion and sodium ion. These acetate ion at anode give acetate free radical plus 2 electron release. This acetate free radical gives 2 methyl free radical and CO2 gas is released. These methyl free radicals will combine to each other and gives ethane. So in this way you can obtain the ethane. But at cathode what will happen? Water releases 2 electron, accept 2 electron and gives 2H minus and hydrogen gas. Okay. So by this method you can also obtain the alkane. Next, from alcohols and aldehydes. The alcohol, aldehyde and ketones on reduction with mixture of red phosphorus and hydrochloric acid yield corresponding alkanes. For example, ROH is the general formula for alcohol. With 2HI in presence of red phosphorus gives RH plus I2 plus H2O. Like that, aldehyde RCHO, it is also react with 4HI red phosphorus and 473 Kelvin, then it gives RCH3 alkane, I2 and water. And ketone also reduce with HI and gives alkane, I2 and water. So for example, you can take R and you can watch the other time. For at the place of R you can take here the methyl group, same reaction, यहाँ पे भी methyl group, same reaction, यहाँ पे भी methyl group, same reaction. Okay. So now physical property. So the intermolecular forces existing in the alkanes are van der Waals forces, because there is a no electronegativity difference, so they are basically show the weak van der Waals forces. These forces depends upon the shape and hence the structure of molecules. Okay, several physical properties of alkanes such as boiling point, melting point, density, etc. depends on the magnitude of these forces existing in them. Physical state. So first 4 member, carbon 1 to carbon 4 are gases. The next 13 C15 to say C17 are liquid, and higher members onward 18 are solid. Okay, so the gaseous and liquid alkanes have characteristic order, whereas the solid members are generally orderless. Okay, boiling points. So as we know that boiling points of alkanes increases regularly with increase in the number of carbon atom in their molecules. That is, with increase in the molecular mass, their boiling points also increases. Okay. For an alkene which exists in isomeric form, the branch chain isomer possesses lower boiling point than the corresponding straight chain. Okay, greater is the branching of the chain, lower is the boiling point of isomer. For example, normal pentane boils at 309 Kelvin, whereas the isopentane boils at 310 Kelvin. So on increasing branching, their melting points also increases. Okay, boiling point does also increase. Melting point, the melting points of alkanes do not show a very regular variation with increase in the molecular masses. Why? The melting points of some alkanes are given below here. Okay, thank you.